Hello everyone, Fabio Santos with another Capoeira tutorial for you. Let me show exactly what we're gonna learn today. Nice. Let me break down the move step by step. So we're gonna start low from the esquiva recuada. Here. I'm gonna step and start the spinning. When I start the spin, I wanna keep my weight on this side so I can move my leg and send it straight up as if I'm gonna do the AU. But I don't want to stop on this line. I want to stop a little bit further with my leg to the back. So I have no choice by sending everything towards that way. So from here, I step everything in line, carry on rotating all the way until my leg is here at the back. From here, I'm gonna switch the leg. I'm gonna do a leg switch. I start on this arm. At the beginning, it's okay for you to place both hands down, but eventually you want to start on one arm, place this hand and take this hand off. But you start with, until you get confident, here, change the leg, and then you land. So it's very important that you finish your leg past this line here. So you wanna be with the leg at the back. So the momentum carry on sending you towards the back. And as you can see, my leg is quite low to start with until I build the confidence. Once you get used to it, the next stage is, once I step the leg, if I'm step into it, I'm gonna place these hands one after the other, but now my leg is gonna start to send it up. Remember to let the leg go past, 1, 2, and take the hand. So it's important that I will be on one hand by the time I get my legs together on the top. Of course, you need a little bit more momentum because if you're doing too slow, you're not gonna have the balance to stay on the spot. I'm doing slow so you can see and understand the setup. So now, with a little bit more momentum, I'm gonna step, carry on rotating, take the hand out. See that naturally, because my leg is spinning that way, my body goes, but it's only so much I can go because my hand is completely flat on the floor, and it's only so much I can go until it started to feel on my shoulder. At that stage, naturally, you're gonna get the legs together, you're gonna open and bring it down. Remember, at the beginning, I'm just switching the leg. Eventually, once I finish on this position here, I'm gonna maintain the legs together as long as I feel my body spinning. Once I stop the spinning, can't go anywhere else, I just open my leg to land. So if let's say I just finished here, I'm gonna place the leg, start to rotate, and then open to land, okay? The last level is spinning on the hand. That takes practice, and actually you wanna place only the palm of your hand. So you wanna lift the fingers so you can spin. On this surface, it's not so great because it's rubber and it gets sticky. But if I throw with momentum without stop, it goes. But just be careful. If you feel like your hand, your whole arm is not spinning, don't push it too hard because you don't want the body to go, which is heavier, and just the arm stay behind. Otherwise, it could cause some injury on the shoulder, on the wrist. So build it up and make sure the surface is spin, and try to lift the finger so you can actually spin on the palm of the hand. I'm gonna try to demonstrate, but again, especially because of the surface, I need to add momentum to it. So I'm gonna try to slow down as much as I can and just place the palm of my hand so you can understand, but I won't be able to spin much because obviously there won't be much momentum, but just so you understand what do I do with my hand. So from here, once I start to spin, this hand I go flat, so I got my balance. This hand, I place the palm of my hand. So I'm here, and it's just a little bit of spin. And then I keep my legs together to generate enough power. To go. I hope that makes sense, step by step. Any questions, comment below, get in touch. There will be a link on the description for you to join the community. It's free of charge now. I not only have more tutorials like this, but many other exercises to build up your confidence, your strength, your fitness, and I'm more than happy to have you around there. See you soon and stay tuned.